I think it's a tremendous opportunity for the whole of Wales, not just the southeast corner of Wales, which the city deal represents. I think it's such an opportunity because it brings together all the dynamics that a society needs to grow. It brings together 10 regional authorities and all the skill sets within the business establishments across those. There are manufacturers, there are professional services providers, there are social care providers, there are quality educational establishments in the university and the FE sector. And if we can bring that together in a really cohesive way with a fantastic infrastructure plan behind it, there will be no stopping the capital city region. I think it's so much more than Cardiff. I mean, in my role as president of the South Wales and Mid Wales Chambers, I can point to any number of businesses, BBI Solutions up in Crumlin with fantastic growth, Pro Steel in Chepstow looking at a major project at Twickenham Stadium, any number of businesses that are set outside of the region that really deliver value to the business community. I think the potential is tremendous. I don't think there's any necessarily one big fix, but I think what we have to recognise across the whole of Wales is that we're an evolving economy. Industries, the way in which the blend of professional services, financial services, manufacturing have all come together. We've only got to stand here today against the backdrop of Llanwern to appreciate how environmental issues are driving needs, how business is driving needs on. And I think the challenge is to recognise that and to keep an innovative, fast thinking and open mind. And I think because we've got so many small to medium-sized businesses here in Wales that are fast and agile, the city deal creates that opportunity for those ideas to be channeled through. So it's about fulfilling your potential. And as I say to my children, you've just got to want to be the best you can be. And I think that's what I hope for the city deal, to be the best we can be for not just South East Wales, but for the whole of Wales.